Welcome back. I'm Rachel, and in this video we're going to go over the major veins that drain the foot. The veins of the foot function in transporting deoxygenated blood from around the foot proximally back up towards the legs. If we start with the veins on the dorsal surface of the foot, we have the dorsal digital veins on each side of the digits. These veins run from the ends of the dorsal surface of the toes proximally up each side of the toes. These veins unite in pairs to form the dorsal metatarsal veins. The dorsal metatarsal veins then drain the blood up most of the length of the metatarsal bones before together forming and draining into the dorsal venous arch. The dorsal venous arch runs along the bases of the metatarsal bones. The lateral side of this arch drains into the small saphenous vein and onwards up the leg this way. The medial side of this arch drains into the medial marginal vein and then onto the long saphenous vein on its way back up the leg. And lastly, the dorsal venous arch also drains into the anterior tibial vein, which also carries on back up the leg. Now for the main veins on the plantar surface of the foot. A plexus of small veins on the plantar surfaces of the toes drains into the plantar digital veins. The plantar digital veins run proximally up each side of the digits. These veins then unite to form and drain into the plantar metatarsal veins. These veins run proximally along the metatarsal bones. They end by forming and draining into the plantar venous arch. This arch runs in an arch around the base of the metatarsal bones. The lateral side of this arch drains into the lateral plantar vein. The lateral plantar vein runs across from the lateral side of the foot to the medial side. The medial side of the plantar arch drains into the medial plantar vein. The medial plantar vein runs proximally along the medial side of the foot. And lastly, the lateral plantar and medial plantar veins unite to form the posterior tibial vein, which carries the blood up to the leg. And that concludes this video on the major veins of the foot. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.